Good day everyone. Welcome to another episode in our series. Together we learn how to be better pet owners and how to make our pets happier. Join us. Today we will talk about first aid kit. Today's topic is extremely important. We usually don't think about emergency situations until unfortunately it happens. And then, in fear and panic, we don't know what to do, and we lose important seconds and time to maybe save someone's life. We hope that you will never be in such a situation. But as pet owners, we witness their injuries, whether it's small scratches or swallowed things. That's why you should always keep that in mind and be prepared. Just as we have first aid kits for humans, each of us should have a separate kit for our pets. It is very important to know that animals must not take medicines for humans, because by doing so we can harm them more than help them. In this video, we'll give you just a few basics things that should be in your bag, whether it's dogs, cats, or other pets. This is not professional advice, and for absolutely everything else you should and must consult your vet. Have you already subscribed to our channel? Subscribed and your pet will love you even more. We're just joking. He certainly loves you anyway. Help our channel to be even bigger and better, so that we can make many more beautiful videos like this together. Without further ado, let's get started. Your first aid kit should include phone numbers of our veterinarian and other veterinarians and services that could help us in the current situation. The list should be in transparent plastic, protected from moisture, so that it can be easily viewed and accessible. You will say, yes, but I have everything in my mobile phone. Yes, but in stressful situations, this will be a much easier and faster way that you can rely on. Bandages, a roll of self-adhesive or crepe bandage, 5 cm width, conforming, open weave bandages 2.5 cm width, some non-adhesive absorbent dressings 5 cm x 5 cm to cover open wounds, surgical sticky tape, a box of cotton wool, a box of sterile absorbent gauze, a thick towel, special curved tweezers for removing ticks, and ordinary tweezers for removing thorns and similar things. Scissors with a curved tip, because we don't want to further injure the animal while bandaging it, because we can't make them stand still, and we can't explain to them what is happening, and that we just want to help them. You should have some antiseptic creams, allergy medicine, and hydrogen peroxide, but it would be best to consult with your veterinarian as to which ones to buy and use. Because not all products are the same for different types of animals. Of course, there should also be auxiliary means for calming the animal, such as an additional leash, muzzle, and medical collar. You should also have some pops to stop the bleeding, which can happen when clipping the nails, if you injure the nerve, that soft pink part in your pet's nail. Consult your veterinarian about the brand, of course. You should have a bag that will protect its contents well, in which all this will be organized and easily accessible. You can make all this yourself. The bag can also be replaced by a good box, a lunch box, a bread box, or a shoe box. The most important thing is not to allow moisture to destroy its contents. You can assemble your own first aid kit for your pet with the help of your veterinarian, or you can buy one. There are a lot of such ready-made options on the internet. Check which one is best for you. Make sure you always know where your pet first aid kit is. If you're going on a trip, keep it in the car. Maybe you'll come across an injured animal on the road too. We cannot emphasize enough how important it is to remain calm in all these situations and to pay attention to your own safety. An endangered animal will act scared and irritated. Do not risk bites, scratches, and other injuries. Help the animal as much as you can and seek the help of a veterinarian as soon as possible, and take the animal to the nearest animal clinic. Take all the necessary measures to prevent your pet from getting hurt. Put dangerous chemicals away safely, remove poisonous indoor flowers, electric cables, do not keep them in drafts. When they go outside, try to do it in a safe way. Protect them from cars and traffic, and from unknown animals. These are just some guidelines. It's up to you to ask and study what is best for your pet, and to be prepared. Hopefully you will never need to use your first aid kit. But unfortunately we can never know that. That would be all for today's lesson. Join us in the next episode, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Also ring that bell, so you don't miss the next class. Stay safe and happy. And don't forget, love and respect all your pets, and enjoy the time you are given to spend together.